Hello,
Hi, teacher.
my name is Hassan. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Rose. I'm 13 years old. I'm from Vietnam. My hobby is listening to music. There are four people. There are my dad, my
There are
mom.
four people in my family.
There are four people in my family.
Good.
There are my dad, my mom, my brother, and me.
That's good. Okay, Rose, let's talk about shopping, okay? Do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
Good. How many ways can you shop?
Two ways.
Okay.
There are online shopping and online shopping
And offline shopping.
and offline shopping.
Good. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lunchy Mart.
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 Okay, where is Lunchy?
It's in Tamdip City.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Once a week. Okay, that's beautiful. What do you buy from Lunchy?
I buy food and drink
Food and drinks. That's great. Why do you like Lunchy?
everybody can
Why do you like Lunchy?
because it's cheaper and convenient.
Okay, the items are cheaper and convenient. We have two ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you like?
Online shop
Why?
because it's fast and cheap.
Faster and cheaper. Okay, that's good. Let's look at this. What's this?
Hurricane,
This,
thunder,
this,
forest fire,
and this.
tornado.
Can you tell me about your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay, what about your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice
Orange juice. Why do you like juice?
because it's
Because is it delicious?
yes,
Because it's delicious. That's good. What's your favorite color?
nothing green.
Green. You like green. Okay, green is beautiful. Okay, good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.